Right, so I selected this WebQuest on alcohol because alcohol, of course, is a really famous poison, and it's something we do talk to students about. I don't use a classroom setting, but I wanted to start with this. So this does say that it is grade level 9 to 12, which is probably right about the grade level that I would hope to be writing my online program. So what I see here, it starts out looking pretty basic, which I don't think is necessarily problematic. I'm looking at the introduction, very simple. There is a misspelling in it, which gives me an idea that maybe this isn't going to be so great. Looking at the tasks section, again, fairly simplistic here, and I'm thinking, okay, it's going to get more detailed. So I get to process, and here where I start to see big problems, right? So it's talking about this worksheet, but there is no way to download the worksheet. And it talks about an exercise at the bottom of the page, and in fact there is no exercise at the bottom of the page. So unless I'm completely misunderstanding this interface, it doesn't seem to be complete. So I'm looking at the sites that they've provided to answer the questions on the worksheet and the exercise are all links that really you would find immediately on a very simplistic Google search. So this doesn't look really like we're going farther than you would for just assigning a paper. It's pretty much the same process that you would use to have a paper. So far, not really exciting. Under the evaluation section here, it's talking about there's evaluation on a project, but there is no description about the project except talking about I want you to have fun with your posters. This graphic here is not something I can open, so I really don't even see if that's supposed to be helpful. Here is a rubric, which, deciphering this gives me a little more idea about what's supposed to be happening. But again, just the presentation is really not straightforward at all. Here under conclusion, again, pretty simplistic here, and it does include a YouTube link, but that really, to me, it's only 2 minutes. And, the quality to me looks questionable, right? So, yep, they're using a video to overview the concepts that the student might have come across, but I can't say I'm really all that excited about this. I don't think it's adding much to, what would already be done in a classroom setting beyond assigning a paper and a poster in a group project. So I don't quite see how they're really using the strengths of multimedia here. There are no reviews, so I don't think this is something that's getting a lot of use, and I can really see why that would be the case.